Hi everyone, welcome back to Discovering Natural. I'm Shola.
No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not, Shola. That is my necklace. Oh my gosh. Do you see whose name is on that necklace? Whose name is on that?
Exactly, my name's Shola.
You are not Shola. This is Talani and I'm Shola. It's my video. Hi everyone. Welcome to Discovering Natural and I am Shola. Yes, rightful owner of this Soufeel necklace with my name all personalized in it, and I received this necklace from Soufeel, so thank you so much. And when it came packaged really well. It came enclosed and it came also with this case that actually has it's like a velvet case that I can put my jewelry in it. I chose the one with the stars because I feel that every woman is a star in the eye of the beholder, and I also chose my name personalized on this necklace. And I love the fact that it also came with a napkin cleaner, like a cleaner thing that I could use to wipe off and shine my necklace. Now I've always wanted one of these necklaces. My mom actually has one with her name initial, Stellar, and yeah, so I've always wanted it, and when I was growing up I always wanted it. So when I got contacted by the company, which is a jewelry company based out of New York, USA, I was quite impressed by their collection, all the items that they have there. They have bracelets, they have charms, they have beads, they have all sorts of things that you can personalize and use it as your own. The quality is impeccable. I love it, and my daughters have already been telling me that, okay mom, we're getting that one. Can I order my own? Can I have my own? And I'm like, okay, we'll place the order soon. So if you guys like this, please do check out their website. Is soufeel.com, and you can choose whatever you want from their collection, and they always have sales going on, so do check it out. In addition, I am going to tell you a story time. Are you guys ready for story time? Okay, let's get started. Now, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, you need to click that subscribe button because that is how you get more videos from us. Now, let me tell you something. Let's chill and relax right now. I used laundry detergent in my hair for a long time. It all happened when I lived in Nigeria and when I went to boarding school. Now, if you don't know the whole story about boarding school in Nigeria, boarding school is not like how you sit on TV, that you go there, you have everything all done for you. Nothing is done for you. We don't have a stylist, you don't have someone to do your hair. Going to boarding school, my mom didn't really pack like so much stuff. She did give me shampoo, she did give me conditioner, she did give me stuff for my hair, grease, you know, pomade. I think it's called Always pomade or something like that. You add those in your possession. But when you run out of those hair shampoos, when you run out of it, when somebody has stolen it from you, you do what you got to do. Now, this story time was inspired by a young lady that went on a Facebook group, and she said she used that. Is it okay to use laundry detergent in her hair? And I was like, girl, don't feel bad. People were like getting on her case like, what do you mean use laundry detergent in your hair? What do you mean use laundry soap in your hair? And people just didn't understand where she came from. But I understood, because being there, done that. And did my hair fall out? No. Did my hair get dry? Yes. Did I know any difference? No, because I didn't know much about natural hair. You know, all these things about deep conditioning, moisturizing, it's very new to some people that I've never experienced it before. Growing up, I just knew you wash your hair, you style your hair. Even during the week, I never really did anything to my hair. How did my hair feel? My hair felt, if I could remember, because this was like decades ago, if I could remember, I know my hair always didn't feel soft like how it felt now. It felt dry, it felt ash. But I tell you, oh, this feels so good. But I tell you, my hair did okay. It didn't kill my hair. Do I advise you to use laundry detergent in your hair? No. No, no, no to the N to the O. Okay? Do not use laundry detergent in your hair because it will dry out your hair and it is not the best thing for your hair. It will totally strip off all the life all the life from your hair. So don't use laundry detergent in your hair. But I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, click the subscribe button, and guess what, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.